That said, your question was about GRC. Like, should you go into GRC? I would say both. I mean, my man, I've been talking about him every week, Professor Black Ops. If you want to find him, he's on YouTube, but he does both. He's a AWS professional, an expert on AWS who also does GRC. So GRC, let me explain. So GRC needs to do, especially at a high level, if you're doing stuff for the government, if you're doing stuff that has sensitive information on it, if you're in the financial sector, if you're in the healthcare sector protecting records or something, you have to do some form of governance, risk, and compliance for cloud. Case in point, in the federal government, we use something called FedRAMP. And FedRAMP is, let me see if I can remember not remember, I'm going to Google it real time. It's Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program. I can never remember the stupid ass acronym, but we use something called FedRAMP, and really all it is NIST 800. It's just NIST 800 that they do is slightly different. That's all it is. So NIST 800 is a standard that is used to manage U.S. government systems. The controls. All it is it's a process of making sure all the systems are using best security practices. That's what it is. Do both is what I would say to you. Don't listen to me. Go to AI and ask it. Tell it everything like you're trying to do, and it'll probably say the same thing I just said. I'm telling you, because what I just said is fire. Like, if you do both, you can do both. Like, be a professional at AWS and then learn some frameworks. You will be untouchable. You will be untouchable. So, and the thing is, like, I find myself in a GRC position having to learn AWS. As a matter of fact, I'm right now studying AZ 900 after taking AWS CCP. I'm getting deeper and deeper into cloud stuff. And so, and I have to, because our environment is, a lot of it's cloud now. It's funny because I've been working with all these technologies and had no idea the underlying. Now I'm getting the big picture. Like, a lot of the things I've been using have been cloud inside of the organizations I'm working in. A lot of the tools and stuff that we're using is cloud. Our cloud services from either AWS or Azure or Google or wherever. So I'm telling you, do both. Like, you can do it. Like, you can totally do it. Do AW or whatever. Focus on one cloud. Really learn like the basics of all cloud, because all of them are pretty much, as I'm doing AWS CCP and Azure 900, they're saying the same thing. They both have availability zones, and they both have geographical places where those AZ zones are. And then they have a SaaS, they have software as a service, they both have platform as a service, they both have infrastructure as a service, they use virtual machines, instances, they have the same things with different names that are priced differently. And so if you learn one, you kind of have a real solid understanding of all of them. And they're all growing the same. It's as if AWS made all this stuff, and then Microsoft made an exact replica of what they're doing, and then renamed it and repackaged it and sold it to their customers. It's fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy. But anyway, yeah, do both. You can't go wrong with both. Learn, and what I mean is by do both is learn AWS or learn Azure, and then also learn a framework. One I would recommend that you learn first, the easiest one will be NIST CSF, Cybersecurity Framework. Happens to be the one I'm teaching. I'm not telling you to buy my stuff. You can get it for free off of NIST.gov. Go to NIST.gov and then search for the framework. Just read through the document and start learning it. And as you get deeper into it, as you start to understand it, come back here, listen to my stuff for free. I'm teaching you guys stuff for free. Golden shit for free. If you want to get deeper into this, then start paying for stuff. Then I want to go deeper. I need a mentor. And I'm not telling you to come to me. Like, there's Will Reed out there is awesome. That guy is a 20-year vet who's doing all kinds of mentorships for GRC. So And then there's you can also check out Professor Black Ops. You can check out there's a bunch of awesome people out there who are not selling anything, who are putting out a lot of stuff for free. I'm not saying not selling anything, but they're putting a lot of stuff out there for free. And if you want to go deeper, you can. But yeah, you're going on the right track. That's awesome that you're doing cloud already. Incredible.